to do a full face. Yeah. So I'll be right back once I have everything lined up and I'll get started. So I got everything lined down. The only thing I didn't have was a face primer. But here is the face primer I'm using. I'm using this e.l.f. one. I even got a makeup sponge from BH Cosmetics and it's really hard. But anyways, and I also got some brushes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. So first, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer. It's like a tennis ball. Now the product is like seeping into the sponge. Okay. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this sponge, it's not even a sponge, to do my foundation or concealer and everything. So I'm gonna go get a Shop Miss A sponge, which is only $1 and it's like 10 times better than this. So next we're using the BH Cosmetics liquid foundation, and this shade is in rosy beige and this one is in natural beige. BH liquid foundation, naturally flawless. Okay, so I put both of them on here and I think I'm gonna use Uno. Oh, this is so much softer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer in 101. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows with the BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil in the color Brunette. So now I'm gonna do I did my brows, so now I'm gonna do the brow highlighter, and there's two ends, I'm gonna use this one. Next, I'm going to go in with the Contour and Blush True 6 color palette. So I'm gonna get this color and I'm gonna set my foundation. So now I'm using the BH Cosmetics Smooth Canvas Eye Primer. And I'm gonna apply it with the brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this one. Next, I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Glamour Reflection, and it's an eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. And I also got a pigment from them, and it's called Brilliant. Here's what the brushes look like. So first, I'm gonna get this brush right here, and we'll get this color and put it on the outer corner. now I'm going to get another brush and I'm going to deepen out the outer corner, and I'm going to get this burgundy color. After that, I'm going to go in with the pigment, and I'm going to get this brush again and I'm going to put it in the lid. So those are the eyes. So after that, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Floral Blush in the Honolulu Hideaway. After that, I'm going to go in with the highlighting palette, and this is what it looks like. And they all look matte, and they don't even look like highlighters. So I'm going to go with the Electra, I guess. That's all I can really blend. So next I'm going to go in with contour, and I'm going to go back to the one that had the powder. And I'm going to use this brush. And I'm using the brown. So after bronzing, I'm going to go in with the mascara, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. one since we didn't get the BH Cosmetics mascara. The Volume and Definition mascara in jet black. Here's what it looks like. So next I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics. It's called Rosy Ray. Here's what it looks like. It smells like vanilla. And that's the color. And then I'll be right back when we get our lashes on. So here's the completed look. I got my lashes from BH Cosmetics. And then, so what I didn't like was the foundation, the contour palette, the eyeshadows, the pigment, and the lipstick. Everything else I didn't care for. And the brushes were fine, but the sponge was terrible. It's like a tennis ball. Like, I'm pretty sure I can balance it. Yep. So yeah, that is the end of a full face of BH Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I really liked how this turned out. Like always, the lashes make a big difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cover 12. Bye!